Today we will learn about American artist Anna Mary Robertson, also known as Grandma Moses. Anna Mary Robertson was born on September 7, 1860 in Greenwich, New York. Anna lived with her parents and 9 siblings on the family farm. From a young age, she loved to draw pictures and create interesting things with her hands. Anna, who later became known as the artist Grandma Moses, wasn't always a famous painter. In fact, she didn't even start painting until she was 78 years old. Like many children in that era, Anna spent her days doing chores on the farm. All this hard work helped her develop an appreciation and understanding of nature and simple country life. This appreciation would greatly inspire her art later on. Anna didn't have any formal art training. At a time when there was no television or internet, Anna would create her own entertainment. She learned to use whatever materials were available to her to express her creativity. For instance, she didn't have paint, so she used lemon and grape juice to make colors for her early drawings. In 1887, Anna married Thomas Moses, a worker from a neighboring farm. They had 10 children together, so their lives were very busy. Even while raising her family, Grandma Moses found time to continue to be creative. She loved doing embroidery and would often make beautiful pieces of art with yarn. When Grandma Moses turned 76 years old, she developed a painful condition in her hands called arthritis. This condition made it difficult for her to hold a needle for her embroidery projects. However, this didn't stop her from expressing herself through her creativity. She decided to try painting because it was easier on her stiff hands. And so at an age when most people stop working and retire, Grandma Moses began her career as a painter. Grandma Moses paintings are considered American folk art. Full of bright colors and interesting shapes, they show scenes of farm life, changing seasons, holidays, and memories from that time period. Grandma Moses' artwork is like a window into the past, showing people what life was like in rural America. Grandma Moses painted because she loved it, and the process gave her so much joy. She didn't care if anyone else liked her paintings. Eventually, her artwork was discovered by an art collector who saw a lot of beauty and talent in her work. He arranged for her paintings to be shown in New York City. To her surprise, people loved her art. They admired her spirit and her determination to create paintings despite her age. By the time she was 100 years old, Grandma Moses was famous all around the world. Her art was even featured on the cover of magazines. But Grandma Moses didn't paint for fame or money. She painted because it made her happy. Let's take a look at the artwork of Grandma Moses. Notice the attention to detail, vibrant colors, and nostalgic charm captured in her paintings. Grandma Moses died at the age of 101, leaving behind a legacy of over 2,000 paintings. Her story inspires us to believe that it's never too late to follow our dreams. Just like Grandma Moses, we can achieve amazing things at any age if we believe in ourselves and never stop doing what we love. We can feel grateful to Grandma Moses for sharing her wondrous talent and uplifting vision with us.